G'day folks, how you going? Skypilot here. That's right, the Eachine Nano LR3. I think I may have solved my GPS issue that I had in my last video of the maiden flight of this cool little 18650x2 quad. I wasn't getting any GPS connection. Yeah, it was just as I thought. The location was no good. Anyway, we're back out here under the blue sky. Hopefully, fingers crossed, get some GPS satellites going so we can get some telemetry and some facts and figures of this cool little LR3 Nano from Eachine and see how high and far we can go with it. Links down below, guys, and see how long we can get out of these 18650s. About 10 minutes waiting for the GPS to hook up, but it's not happening, so I think we'll head out here, have a quick fly over here, and then I might set myself down on the oval and see if I can get some satellite signal from over there. I'm not too sure why my GPS isn't locating anything. It's a bit of a bother. Anyway, it still won't stop me from having a fly around and doing a little bit of slow controlled flying through some dead spots. You guys can see it is possible to go through buildings with your radio. And if I sit out here somewhere, I'll get some GPS signal maybe. Or what if I just land on top of the truck? Maybe I can get some GPS signal up here. Okay, I'm just sitting on top of the truck for a second, just see if I get a satellite on there. As I said, I've had this arm for about 10 minutes now, and I can't seem to lock on to any satellites, which is a bit of a pain. I had hooked it up at home this morning without any drama, and locked into 6 satellites within 5 minutes, so not too sure what's going on. I'll give another 10 seconds. Ah, there we go, 5 satellites. Well, there you go. The truck has saved the day, guys. We have some telemetry. Let's get off the truck and hopefully we shall stay locked into those satellites. Excellent. So, home 30 meters away. And that's typical. Someone would have to come to... What's he doing? Loading up something. What's he got there? Let's have a look. Not too sure what he's doing. He may be loading up with some bark chips. Okay, let's check the accuracy of the GPS. 57 meters from home. I know it's saying a negative altitude. Not too sure what that is. I'm a long way up now and it's not doing anything of the sort. Okay, looks like our altitude isn't working. Let's head back over here. Get above those power lines. The altitude's not reporting correct figures. Distance from home doesn't look all that good either. Let's see if we can get some speed data going here. Oh, that seems to be going. 60, 80, 70. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm tucked away in the trees here, guys, so I think the VTX is actually doing a fairly good job, considering. I think I really needed to power it off and on again to get the altitude reporting correct figures there, so not to worry. I shall do one more speed run so we can see how fast this 2S goes on my Lions, as that's a very important number to have. Could be getting a bit low on power now. I think we're looking at about 50-60 kilometers an hour. Nice VTX on this, guys, and I'm getting carried away by the wind a bit here. There you have it, going the LR3. I'm having a couple of altitude issues here, so I'm not going to push the batteries. So far 10 minutes of flight, and yeah, reported 20 minutes worth of this cool little drone. There's a few kids around using the nets and stuff, so I better call it quits from here, otherwise I might do someone an injustice. Nice one.